completely, almost 100% unique idea for a build. And it will start with what's in this box. And what's in this box? Well, what was in this box. Alright, so this, as you probably know, is a Predator 212. Heavy. I'm going to try and open up this box. Oh. So I was on YouTube the other day. I know, it's hard to believe. But I saw these guys in Taiwan building rice track. Okay, and I know you're probably thinking, rice tractor, what in the world is a rice tractor? This is a rice track. Well, anyways, these guys in Taiwan pretty much soup these things up and turn them into like racing, like they drag race these things. I mean, it's really, really cool. Well, anyways, I was thinking, man, this is like, it's like a chariot. You know, and so basically, I'm gonna build one, so yeah. So if you're gonna call anything a rice burner, this is it. So because we're building a rice burner, I decided to get my stuff straight from Taiwan. No, this is actually straight from China. That is too, so. But that's pretty much Taiwan, China, same thing, right? No? Alright, well anyways, guys, you're probably wondering what's in this box, or maybe you already saw. This is a live axle kit. I got a short one. This is a 29-inch axle. But anyways, it comes with all the stuff that I'll need, including wheels and tires. And then it should, yeah, this is something, brakes. These are always good to have. So this is the sprocket, and this is the chain. Yeah, so simply said, this is not going to work. Yeah, this sprocket is tiny, but I can get a new sprocket. That's not going to be a problem. Alright, so just in case you want to build one of these strangely cool projects, I'll leave a link to all the stuff I bought in the description. Alright guys, so now it is completely done, except for the brakes and kill switch, but as far as I'm concerned, we can go ahead with the test drive. This thing is insane. I have not gone over a quarter throttle yet because this thing did about 30 miles an hour at quarter throttle. You ask for words to describe it, none come to mind. Other than insane, of course, which applies for the tractor. And, well, probably me too. This is crazy. This is by far, I think, the greatest build I've ever done. Obviously, turning is an issue, at least sharp turning, but going on to roads and, you know, different things isn't too bad. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna have links to all this stuff in the description. Most of it is from Amazon. Obviously, the steel I just got from a local steel yard, so that stuff you're just gonna have to get on your own, but a lot of this stuff you can get online pretty easily. So yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments what you want to see me do with this thing. Winter is coming, and I plan to, well, let's just say have some fun on the ice. But, yeah. If you guys, though, have anything you want to see me do with this rice tractor, let me know down in the comments, and it shall be done. Maybe. Alright, guys, that's it for today, but if you enjoyed this video and you like some of my other stuff, you might want to consider subscribing. I'll see you next time at the pit stop.